Hey everyone, welcome back to Coda. If you are new here, this channel is all about AI tools, smart technology, and practical learning methods that help you save time and improve productivity. If you're a student, a college learner, or someone who deals with a lot of study material and PDFs, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you. In this video, I'll be using a PDF of HTML notes as my main source and show you how you can generate audio overviews, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and presentations from it using Google's NotebookLM. Even though I'm using a PDF in this demonstration, you're not limited to PDFs at all. NotebookLM supports multiple input formats. You can upload PDF files, images, audio recordings, websites, YouTube videos, copied text, and you can even search and pull information directly from the web. So basically, you can take almost any type of learning material, add it into NotebookLM, and convert it into different study formats that suit your learning style. So let's start by downloading the NotebookLM app from the Play Store or App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, open it, and you'll be ready to get started. Once you're inside the app, you'll notice two main options at the bottom of the screen. The first one is a camera icon. Using this, you can take a photo of anything, like notes or textbook pages, and use it as a source to generate content. Right next to it, you'll see the Create New option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll see a list of different input formats, which I mentioned earlier. But for this video, we're going to keep things simple and use a PDF file. So let's tap on the PDF option. Select our HTML notes PDF and use it to generate audio overviews, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and presentations. Now at the bottom, let's click on the Chat tab. From here, you can actually chat with the PDF that we just uploaded. You can ask NotebookLM to create summaries, explain specific topics, clarify concepts, or answer any question related to the PDF content. This makes learning much easier, especially when you want quick explanations instead of reading everything manually. And from this same chat section, you can also directly generate an audio overview based on the summaries or explanations that NotebookLM creates. So you're not just reading the PDF, you're interacting with it, which makes the learning experience much more effective. Now, right next to the chat tab, you'll see the Studio tab. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Studio section, you'll find all the tools to generate presentations, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and audio overviews, which is exactly what we're going to create now. Along with these tools, you'll also notice customization options, especially for audio overviews, flashcards, and quizzes. For example, in the audio overview settings, you can adjust the length of the audio, select multiple sources, add an optional custom prompt, choose your preferred language. Similarly, the quiz and flashcard tools also provide customization options that you can explore and tweak based on your learning needs. So now let's go ahead, select the tools and start generating everything at once. This process may take a few minutes, and once it's done, NotebookLM will provide you with all the results. And while this is processing, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting and useful videos. So as you can see here, our audio overview, infographics, flashcards, and quizzes have all been successfully generated. Now let's test them one by one and see how well NotebookLM has built each of these from our HTML notes PDF.
नमस्कार, डीप डाइव में आपका स्वागत है। आज हमारे हाथ लगी है HTML5 नोट्स फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स।
हाँ, और ये गाइड ये सिर्फ बेसिक्स के बारे में नहीं है।
बिल्कुल। HTML ये शब्द सुनते ही कई लोगों को लगता है कि अरे ये तो H1P है, ये सब तो पता ही है। लेकिन आज हम थोड़ी गहरी पड़ताल करने वाले हैं।
सही कहा। हम
ये मानकर चल रहे हैं कि हमारे श्रोता वेब की बुनियादी बातें जानते हैं। आज हम इस गाइड की मदद से उन परतों को कुरेदेंगे जिन्हें अक्सर जल्दबाजी में नजरअंदाज कर दिया जाता है।
As you can see, NotebookLM has generated the audio overview really well. It sounds very natural, almost like a podcast, with both a male and a female voice. The conversation feels realistic, like a discussion between teachers or an instructor actually explaining the topic. Along with that, you also get several useful options here. You can download the audio overview, adjust the playback speed, and access many other controls that you can explore on your own. Now let's move on and see how NotebookLM has generated the infographics. And as you can see, the infographics are created very nicely. They look clean, attractive, and professional, and they explain HTML concepts clearly using images, diagrams, and visual elements, which makes learning much easier. Moving on to the next generation, let's try solving the quizzes that NotebookLM has created for us. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you can also customize the quizzes, like adjusting the number of questions, the difficulty, and the length of the quiz. This feature is extremely useful for exam preparation. It helps you revise important topics, memorize key concepts, practice smaller core ideas, and strengthen your fundamentals. So instead of just reading, you're actively testing yourself, which makes learning much more effective. Next, let's move on to the flashcards section. Flashcards are another very helpful feature, especially when it comes to revision and memorization. NotebookLM automatically identifies the most important questions, definitions, and key concepts from the PDF and converts them into flashcards. These flashcards are displayed one by one, so you can focus on a single concept at a time instead of getting overwhelmed by too much information. This is extremely useful when you're revising before exams. You want to remember important questions. You need quick concept recall, or you want to strengthen your basics. You can quickly go through all the flashcards and revise the entire topic in a short amount of time, which makes your study sessions more efficient. Now lastly, let's take a look at the presentation that NotebookLM has generated. As you can see, it has done a really good job here as well. The presentation is well structured, the content is clear, and everything is nicely synced with images and graphics, which makes it visually appealing. Instead of spending hours manually creating slides, this shows how AI tools like NotebookLM can replace traditional presentation building methods. This is especially useful for students and professionals who want clean, ready-to-use presentations in very little time. And just like the other outputs, you can also download this presentation, edit it further if needed, and use it directly for your classes or meetings. So to quickly recap, in this video we used a single PDF of HTML notes and generated audio overviews, infographics, quizzes, flashcards, and presentations. All of this using Google's NotebookLM, directly from a mobile device. This clearly shows how powerful NotebookLM is when it comes to learning, revision, and content generation. If you're a student, a teacher, or someone who works with study material regularly, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Coda for more such AI tools and smart learning content. Comment below and let me know which feature you like the most. Audio overviews, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, or presentations. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and stay smart.